In this video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Oculus Quest 2 head strap. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Removing the head strap from your Oculus Quest 2 is incredibly simple. This will take under 5 minutes, and you can remove it to clean it up, replace it, whatever it is that you wish to do. So first, you have to remove the facial interface, so this cover right here. To do this, grasp and pull on the nose section first, and unclip it from the headset. You don't have to apply a lot of force. After you do this with the nose section, you can do it with the opposite side. So grasp and pull on the top section of the facial interface, and this part will come loose. With this cover removed, you will now be able to expose the top portion of the head strap. Now, remove the side straps first. So use your fingers to grasp the right strap near the headset and peel it away from the headset arm to unclip it. So all that is going to hold this into place are some clips. And of course, you do the same thing with the left and right side. With this done, you are basically good to go. Now, undo the Velcro that is holding the top head strap. And after you separate the hook and loop string on the top strap, you will be able to pull it here. So unthread the top strap from its bracket and remove the head strap altogether. With this done, you are now able to clean it up, replace it, change it with another model, whatever it is that you wish to do. It's as simple as removing the cover so you can have access to this top part here, and then removing the clips at the side. All of this can be done by gently pulling them apart, so you don't have to apply a lot of force, and the clips will undo themselves for you to remove specific portions. I hope I was able to help you on how to remove Oculus Quest 2 head strap. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.